What's happening, everyone, and welcome back to Gringo Burritos. Today we're doing a Chipotle-style burrito bowl, and we'll probably sneak in a burrito if we have time. Our key ingredients will be a deliciously seasoned guacamole, spicy shredded chicken, pico de gallo, and a cilantro lime rice. So let's get started. We're going to start with the chicken since that takes the longest. This is super simple. I just give the chicken breasts a quick rub of spices. I'll post those ingredients in the description. Sear the chicken on each side for about 2 minutes. Then add enough water to just almost cover the chicken. Bring this to a boil and then back it down to a low simmer. Simmer on low for 20 minutes and then turn off the heat and let them coast in the pot, covered for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, next we're gonna start on a guacamole. Cut around the pit and then open it up, exposing the pit. Then give it a decent chop.
Cut it up and make some guacamole.
Twist and pull the pit out. They can be a bit slippery, so watch out. One of the tricks I do to infuse some flavor and keep the guac from turning brown is to quarter the avocados and then give them a nice coating in the lime juice before mashing. Let these sit and absorb the lime juice while you prepare the other ingredients. My go-to is onion, cilantro, jalapeno, salt and pepper, and cumin. I like spicy food, but there are members of my family that can't handle the heat, so I'm going to remove the seeds. I'm also going to portion out the cilantro because it will be used in a few different things. But I like to use the stems for the dressing, so I'll cut those here and set them aside. I like to add just a bit of tomato too for color, but not too much. Mash it all together. I like to leave it a bit chunky. Cover and set aside while you prepare the other ingredients. I have some leftover white rice from a stir fry earlier this week. If you place a damp paper towel over a bowl of rice and place it in the microwave, it acts as a makeshift steamer, bringing the rice back to life. Then I'm going to toss in some of the reserved lime juice and cilantro. Give it a quick stir and voila, you've got yourself a cilantro lime rice. Okay, the chicken is done, but we have to get it out of the pot and let it rest an additional 10 minutes. While the chicken is resting, we'll work on the rest of the ingredients. Ingredients are versatile, but I'm going to do black beans, rice, and lettuce. I like to use hearts of romaine because it's a good blend of crunchy and green. I like to have the crunch, but if I'm gonna eat rabbit food, I might as well get some nutrition out of it. I'm also going to make a very quick and simple pico de gallo. My goal today is to show you how to bring this experience into the home. Maybe make it fun for the family, but most importantly, making a delicious meal, mostly healthy, that can last you a few days. If you're lazy, like me, or you don't have a lot of time during the week, making a lot of food on Sunday so you have a few meals lined up for the week is invaluable. There are a lot of videos out there about price comparisons, can you do this cheaper at home? And I think that's been proven. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say, yeah, you can do this cheaper at home. All right, now let's start to layer the salad together with all of our ingredients. And now I'll start on the dressing. Some of that reserved cilantro, lime juice, a bit of white balsamic vinegar, cumin, Mexican oregano, and some sour cream. Drizzle in some olive oil as you whisk it all together. If it's too tart, you can always add some honey or agave nectar to even it out. Pour over the salad and toss thoroughly to combine. Check it out, burrito bowls. All right, you want a burrito instead? That's fair. We'll use most of the same ingredients, but this time I'll use some cheese and top it all off with some hot sauce. Make sure you heat your tortilla and layer according to your OCD, your preference. I overstuffed this one a bit, but a well-practiced burrito rolling technique should be able to handle this. And just like that, your own Chipotle-style burrito. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.